simple and tasty spring salad of fresh vegetables, cucumbers, tomatoes, and radish. Refill from unrefined oil, sunflower, or corn oil, is well suited to it. Ingredients: radish 5 pcs, cucumbers 2 pcs, tomato 1 pc, 1/2 red sweet onion, parsley, a few sprigs of salt, ground pepper, to taste vegetable oil 2 to 3 st.l. (15 minutes) 2 servings, salad of radish and cucumber. 1. Wash and dry all vegetables. 2. Cut cucumbers and radishes into thin rings. Cut the tomato into slices. Read also, spring radish and cucumber salad. 4. Peel and finely chop red onions. Grind greens with a knife or tear them with your hands. 6. Combine all the ingredients in a salad bowl, salt and pepper. Season with sunflower, olive, or corn oil.